I work CPD. And I add sound effect. Watch what happens when I oof. No, maybe that's not a good idea. I should probably attack. What happens if it dense? Of all the times I've played this game, I got struck by lightning, and I never died. Bruh. I want to die. And you're wondering, this is just random. Is this so hard to ask to fail at a video game? I can know almost every other time you succeed. I want to fail. Actually, I could with it. What's the fun in that? You better get off there. Why are you... Which means I get slapped by something. There we go. I guess we can play one more round before I goes. Hayes, you stop flying around. That's against the law. Yeah, this is just something a little random. Randomness. That's what I should call this. Randomness. Plus, I wanted to edit a little bit. Figure out how to edit a little more. Well, I guess I'll see you later. Dance. See ya. Pizza.